The Cunning Wolf. Once upon a time, there lived a gray-haired skinny wolf. He could not get enough to eat because of the watchfulness of the shepherds. The shepherds used to be very alert and never gave him a chance to attack. Luckily, one night he found a sheepskin that had been cast aside and forgotten. The wolf felt happy as he had thought of a brilliant plan. The next day, dressed in the sheepskin which was cast aside, the wolf strolled into the pasture with the sheep. The shepherd was sitting in the field leaving the sheep grazing. The wolf dressed in the skin of sheep followed the flock of sheep but did not harm them. He blended among the sheep easily. After a few days, the shepherd saw that only a few sheep were left and only one sheep has turned fat. When he noticed properly, he found the wolf under the skin of the sheep. The shepherd understood everything, took a knife, and killed the wolf.